Alam mo nang mali ay pinipilit mo pa rin na gawing tama ang mali. Mali.
Just to remind everyone, resource persons, and that includes all those resource persons that are not present in today's hearing, and maybe they're monitoring this hearing. Let me remind everyone that please don't force us to cite you in contempt, because under our rules, just to remind you, Section 11 of our internal rules, paragraph F, we will not allow discussions or attacking, insulting this committee hearing after the suspension of this hearing, because you will be in violation of Section 11, letter F of our internal rules. We will be forced to cite you in contempt for in violation of letter F and you interference.
Di lahat ng salitang mali, mali. Yung mali para sa tama, matatawag bang mali? May tama sa mali, kaya gumawa siya ng mali. Hinahabol niya yung tama sa paraang mali.